Alright, hello, welcome to my Android individuals assignment. So I've been working on completing an app that holds tasks that I may want to complete. And so let's go through the functionality and show you that it works. So if I restart the app here, on the right, this is the simulator, and say I want to add a task that I have to complete. It will bring me to this screen, and let's say new task. I hit submit, and then it pops up there, and say I complete that task, and I can check or uncheck it. And add another task here, and I can submit this, and I can continue to check and uncheck these. And then let's add one more task just to show that it's working. And yeah, so let's go through all the to-dos that I've completed. So on to-do 1, I set the content view to activity main.xml using setContentView r.layout.activity_main. For to-do 2, I have added the add task functionality using tasks.add_task, and that was helpful. This hint was helpful for that one. And then for to-do 3, I created an intent, and I programmed the button add task to trigger the intent here. And to-do 4, let's go here. This is the button that I created for to-do 4, as you can see right here. For to-do 5, I just used a for each loop to iterate through all the tasks in the list, and then this uses the add task UI to UI helper method, of course. For to-do 6, I created these instance variables here, task description and button submit task, and then used those, assigned those to find view by ID r.id.task description, and then for submit task r.id.button submit task. And this assigns the edit text and buttons to the respective XML bindings. And then for my example unit tests, essentially what I wrote was a test that it checks if the size of the list is correct when I add a new task, and it also checks if adding tasks works, basically. So I have the original size. I get the original size of the task list. I create a new task, and then I add that task to the task manager singleton. And then after adding it, I capture the new size of the list, and then I make sure that the size should increase by 1 after the task. And then make sure that it's also in the list. So if I run this, let me switch to the test case. If I run this, you can should be able to see. Yeah, so execution finished and build successful. So the test case is successful, and the functionality on the right is working correctly.